What's up guys, I hope you're doing great and welcome back to my channel. If you're watching this video but you still didn't subscribe to this channel, please just do that, smash that button, and as well put a big thumbs up to this video. I will be really pleased. So guys, I want to tell you some news that I finally gathered 30 people in my closed group where I started to give my trading signals regularly. So if you want to join to this group, you still have this opportunity. What you need to do is just text me a code word signal in my Telegram account. Of course, I left the link in the description box. So guys, let's start trading. Today we will trade with you using the Bollinger Bands indicator. This is a tool for technical analysis of financial markets reflecting to the current price deviation. In simple terms, this is an indicator which helps us to determine the price boundaries from which a reversal will occur. Today I'll try to show you how to use this indicator. Now I'll remind you the settings of the indicator and what is the signal. According to the settings, the upper value is set to 14 and the lower value is set to 2. I also made the borders of the indicator a little thicker so that they could be seen better. Thus, a channel appeared within which the price moves. There is an upper and lower border of the channel as well as a moving average. The signal for opening a deal of this indicator is the moment when the price touches one of the boundaries of this channel. From the upper border we open deals for a decrease, but from the lower border we open deals for an increase. Also, in a downtrend, the moving average serves as a resistance level. Also, for example, in an uptrend, the moving average serves as an uptrend support line. That is, you can navigate and roughly understand the price minimum of the uptrend. Also, of course, do not forget about the support and resistance levels. Also, another use cases is to open trades on impulse exits beyond the limits of this indicator. Right now we see that the price has impulsively gone beyond the indicator. Here I propose to open a deal for 1 minute to decrease. In this situation, a corrective movement is more likely to happen, a slight pullback down. Catching such situation in the market can also make a good profit. Just in this situation, you can see that we have opened a deal on an impulse movement outside of our indicator. This is a good point to open a deal. I think that in this situation 1 minute will be enough for us and the price will go down. And so friends, let's wait for the end of our deal. Wow, that's quite good guys. Indeed, there was a pullback down. We are making a profit here. Let's continue. Let's look for the similar situation in the market. So guys, here we also see that the price has reached the upper limit of this indicator by impulse. At the moment it is beginning to go beyond it. Here I also suggest opening a deal for 1 minute to decrease. There is also a resistance level slightly higher, and after an impulse approach to this level, it is more likely that a corrective moment will also occur. At least a slight pullback down. I think in this situation 1 minute will be quite enough, and so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. That's not bad. Indeed, there was a slight pullback down and we are making profit here. 1 minute was enough for us. Let's continue and consider the falling market situation. Here we see guys that there is a good confident uptrend and the price is starting from the moving average of our indicator. Also, there are still a space to reach the resistance level, and at the moment the price is touching the moving average. Here I propose to open a deal for 2 minutes to increase. I think that in this situation the price is more likely to continue its movement to this level, since the price here also has an excellent potential for increase. I think 2 minutes will be enough for us, and so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Okay, it's not bad at all. The uptrend has continued its movement and we are making profit here. So far, everything is going great. Let's continue. Here we see that the price has confidently approached the border of our indicator and even goes beyond it. Here I also propose to open a deal literally for 1 minute to decrease. I think that in the near future, after the impulse upward movement, there will be a corrective movement, a slight pullback down. It is not recommended to open downside deals on a superior trend, but in some cases it can be done. After all, after any upside movement, there is still pullback down. And in this case, I think we will have the same situation. And so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Alright Alright, as you can see, the price has really rolled back down a bit and we managed to close our deal in profit anyway. 1 minute was enough for us. Let's continue to consider the following market situation. Here we have a level of support. We also see that at the moment the price is moving with fairly confident impulse red candlesticks to our level. There is also a good downward momentum, and here we open deal for 1 minute to increase. I think that after an impulsive red candle, a corrective movement is also more likely to occur. A slight upward pullback just immediately after an impulse movement downwards, a pullback occurs. I think that in this situation 1 minute will be quite enough. The level is internal, which means that it will be still easily broken through. But at least after the impulse movement downwards, a pullback will occur. And it is in this moment we'll try to earn money. And so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Okay, it's not bad. As you can see, the price has really rolled back up and we are making profit. Let's continue and consider the similar situation on the market. Okay guys, so I found a similar situation. There is also a good impulse movement down. Now we will wait a little, we will observe the price, and the price momentum goes beyond our indicator, then we will open a deal to increase. So guys, there is just an impulse to our level. We open a deal for 1 minute to increase. As you can see, there was a good impulse movement of the price down and we picked up a good entry point with you. I think that in this situation it is more likely that there will also be a rollback, some kind of corrective movement, since as in most cases after an impulse approach to the level as well as an impulse breakout, a corrective movement occurs, a small pullback. And I think 1 minute here will be quite enough. And so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. It's not bad at all. There has really been an upward pullback and we are making profit. In this situation, they worry themselves out well. Let's continue to consider the following market situation. Okay guys, here we also see that the price approached the upper limit of our indicator quite confidently, impulsively. Let's open a deal here for just 1 minute to go down. I think there will be a pullback down in the near future. Since the price highs are also getting lower, the overall price trend is still going down, and in this situation there will be at least a small pullback down. And so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Okay, it's not bad. There has really been a pullback down and we are making profit. 1 minute was enough for us. Let's continue to consider the following market situation. Here we see that the price is moving quite confidently, impulsively, and goes beyond our indicator. You open a deal here for 1 minute to increase. The price moves quite impulsively. I think that in this situation a pullback is more likely to occur, since the channel of our indicator also forms its upward movement. And as a rule, in such situation, 1 minute is quite enough. And so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. That's fine guys. As you can see, the price really went up with an impulse and we are making profit here with you. In the meantime, I already have $5,000 on deposit and I propose to end this because I completed my plan for today. All market situations worked out perfectly and I hope you learned some new stuff about how to work with Bollinger Bands indicator. That's it for today guys. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and I just want to remind you, if you didn't put a big thumbs up to this video, please do that and subscribe to this channel for more videos about trading. Also, just want to remind you that I have a closed group where I'm sharing my trading signals for free, and if you want to be a part of this group, please text me a code word signal in my Telegram account. The link to it in the description box. I will see you in the next video. Bye!